Selling technology solutions is both an art and a science. To truly excel, you need to dive deep into understanding your solution. This means not just knowing the features, but grasping the real-world impact it can have on your clients. Think about it. How does your technology solve their problems? What unique benefits does it offer? When you can articulate this clearly, you're already ahead of the game. Next, let's talk about researching your prospect. This step is crucial. You wouldn't walk into a meeting without knowing who you're talking to, right? Take the time to understand their business, their pain points, and their goals. What challenges are they facing? What solutions have they tried before? This knowledge allows you to tailor your pitch to resonate with their specific needs, making your solution not just relevant, but essential. Now, let's focus on ROI, return on investment. Decision makers want to know how your solution will impact their bottom line. Be prepared to present clear, quantifiable benefits. Use case studies or testimonials to illustrate how similar clients have achieved significant savings or increased revenue by implementing your technology. When you can show a tangible ROI, you're not just selling a product, you're offering a pathway to success. Building trust is another key element. People buy from those they trust. Establishing credibility can be as simple as being transparent about your solution's capabilities and limitations. Share your expertise, but also listen actively to your prospects' concerns. Acknowledge their hesitations and provide thoughtful responses. This two-way communication fosters a relationship built on trust, which is invaluable in the sales process. Overcoming objections is part of the game. When a prospect raises concerns, don't shy away. Instead, embrace it as an opportunity to engage. Listen carefully to their objections and respond with empathy. Use data and examples to counter their doubts. Remember, every objection is a chance to clarify and reinforce the value of your solution. The more you address their concerns, the more confident they'll feel in moving forward. Finally, it's time to close the deal. This is where your preparation pays off. Summarize the key points discussed, reiterate the benefits, and confidently ask for the sale. Use a closing technique that feels natural to you, whether it's a direct approach or a more consultative one. Make it easy for them to say yes by outlining the next steps clearly. Throughout this process, maintain a professional yet engaging demeanor. Your enthusiasm for your solution can be contagious. Use visuals and practical examples to illustrate your points, making the information accessible and relatable. Remember, selling technology solutions is not just about the transaction. It's about building lasting relationships that can lead to future opportunities. When you approach each interaction with this mindset, you'll not only close more deals, but also create loyal customers who trust you as a partner in their success.